Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Week 5, Organizational Behavior, Fall 2020. The most important thing to be working on now is your current events discussion and presentations. If I have sent you an article to discuss, present, please let me know when you're ready so we can schedule a discussion presentation. If I have not gotten you one, I will in the next 2 weeks. I'm just trying to keep everything current. The presentation counts for 13 points of your grade, 13%. And you can figure the event itself, when we talk, will run between 40 minutes and an hour, and it is an interactive discussion. So as soon as you have that, do let me know. And as a reminder, you need to participate in 4 real-time discussions for 9 points. So that's 2.25 points for each one you participate in. We don't have any schedule this week, and I encourage you that if you are ready or want to be ready, just let me know and we can schedule your presentation. Quiz 1, just some background information for you. The average score was 89% with a range of 47 to 100. A couple of them that I just sort of surprised, or ones that people missed on a fairly consistent basis, is the USA spends the most developed countries per capita for healthcare, and the health outcomes are the best, reflecting the adage you get what you pay for. The answer is false. It's in the current conditions section. And trends, 2/3 of you got it correct, and 1/3 didn't. The important thing to realize that when we're looking at things, you need to be able to interpret and understand trends. Next question was, what are the mega trends, and how could they impact the future of a business? What might a company want to focus on to be ready for these trends? Be specific and detailed. How will they affect how the company operates? What did we find is a lot of you didn't identify what those mega trends were. You just jumped in on one of them, and you didn't fully answer the last question. The last piece in the lecture, we talked about disruptors. Consider COVID-19, discuss it is, and then share at least 5 examples of each side. Many of you didn't talk about COVID. You talked about other items. But the question really was, what about COVID? Overall, I'd suggest you check your work and make sure you answer the questions and go deep enough. I think those that had answers that weren't given full credit was because you didn't fully answer the question or you ignored a piece of the question. So for quiz 2, I really encourage you, check your answers, read your work. Does it flow? Is it tied together? That's quiz 1. Coming up dates. This week we have Wednesday, September 30th. It's Rejuvenation Day. Next reflection is due no later than October 16th. Quiz 2, Friday, October 23rd. Again, it'll be available between 12:01 a.m. and 11:59 p.m. What should you be working on this week? The history of management, parts 1 to 4. If you would like to do part 5 in person, the afternoon of October 5th, just send me a quick email and we can do it with social distancing and masks. What we do have out there is a recording of another group who's done it in real time. But if you'd like to do it in real time, if we have enough people, we can make that happen on Monday, October 5th in the afternoon. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And I wish everybody a wonderful week.